highway all the way. We're gonna be together with the trucks, hand in hand. We're gonna be touching all the trucks. You just see me again. I have life insurance, so mom called the life insurance. It's about 150,000 if I die.
How much?
150,000 at you. Yeah, at least buy a new car.
So we really don't have much space. That's it.
The road is better than this one. Everything's gonna be better. Probably the worst highway in Brazil. And where are we? I love hard shoulders. The worst highway in Brazil. The busiest road in Mato Grosso do Sul, Mato Grosso. It's this one here. 5 cyclists are here, lady. There's only 4 of us, so.
How many people get eaten by snakes?
In Brazil?
In the high season?
9.5 a day. 9 people and 2 Dutch.
Lucas, Franklin, what happened? Aurora, what are you doing? You little bitch. Agua.
Pretty cold water.
Do we like that?
No!
Do we like that?
Yeah, they're moving.
Rain is not too bad, but little trucks.
Smells so good.
How's it going?
A bit wet today. It's very hot.
Oh yeah.
Again.